Good morning, very good morning, very good morning. Very happy morning, nice. Let us think of something natural flow in this morning. Let us make ourselves fresh and feel fresh, think fresh. Spiritual maturity, we are thinking, discussing. So, another point in spiritual maturity is another status, attitude to be developed in spiritual maturity is non-attachment. Detachment. Detachment is required. Yes, detachment is required. Most important thing this. We feel to achieve many things. We feel to be successful in life. Yes, we feel. So many desires, many expectations, many plans for life. Because we live comparingly. He is having car, I must have car. He is having one building, I must have building. He got good job, I must get same type of best good job. Like that we have, that is a natural thing for everybody. But spiritually matured person understands Karma Siddhanta, principle of Karma Sutra. He realizes that through gurus and by practicing, by observing, yes, practically, these Karma Sutra can be known if we live practically. So, what is karma? Why it is happening? Okay, this is all karma. Whatever we are living in karma. So if in your karma, if it is there, you will get it. Nobody can stop you. That's why astrological people, they say, they give predictions about this karma of our life, humans. They can calculate, B.V. Raman says up to 60% we can calculate. ॐ नमो भगवते वेदानन्दाय 60% of human life and worldly situation, worldly life. That's why many people are predicting after 1 year, 2 years how the time will be, how the world will be, how nature will be. They are giving that. Yes. So, okay, that's a bit different. But a spiritually matured person always develop detachment because everything karma is detachment. I develop spirituality. I believe, I trust God. I accept God. God is in my inside. In my inside, God is there in me. So I have to behave godly. So that way he will develop that through sadhana, through guru, or whatever it may be. So spiritually matured person always develop detachment. Okay, I got it. Okay, my karma is good, and so my karma is going well because of God's justification. God is justifying me, my life. So he will think like that and he will accept. If anything he wants to get other than karma, not getting, he will pray. He will pray with detachment and he will pray with surrender. He will pray with surrenderness. And he believes, he trusts, he will have faith on karma and life and God. So if he get anything, he never attach. If he lose anything, he never feels sorrow. Again I will get, if require, I will get it again. That is how he develop, no attachment, no detachment. He will enjoy everything, he will enjoy both. So he never attached to happiness, because with happiness side by unhappiness also is there. Happiness out of getting something, so one day you have to lose. That is sutra of karma, karmic life. So he will realize that, oh, today I got, okay, very nice, thank you. When he loses, he say, okay, this is also your blessing. Thank you, God. Thank God. Take care of me. That way he will develop detachment. No attachment to happiness, or no attachment to worldly achievements, success, or any things he got. He lose also. Never worry. He will see. With it, truthfully he will observe. That is spiritual understanding, maturity. Thank you. Good day. Good day. Happy to all of you. All of you. Good day. Nice. All the best. Thank you. I love you.